Got Timmy's tractor running. Runs really good. Smokes a little bit from having the engine stuck, but it'll quit smoking before too long. I used to smoke too. I don't anymore, so it'll quit. And I got my truck backed up and the trailer backed up in the air. And we're going to pull that tractor on there with a winch. We'll use a little Ford to use a little encouragement. But anyway, there we go. Tim's tractor running like, just like a silver dollar or whatever you call it, or some kind of a dollar. How about a purring like a kitten? There we go. That'll do. Purring like a kitten. There we go.